Hello, a very cheerful morning. Happy morning to all my little angels. How are you? Enjoying monsoon? Okay. Along that, you are doing something in written? Today, we are not going to learn new lesson. We will be doing worksheet. पढ़ने के साथ लिखना भी तो आपको अच्छा लगता है ना? ठीक है? So, ready? Okay. So, today we will be going with worksheet. What? Worksheet of our sense organs. Our sense organs. Okay? See, worksheet our sense organs. Our sense organs. First, you have to read out. Tick the correct answer. What's this? Tick the correct answer. A. V. W-E. Look upon this, children. We feel air with the help of a skin. Skin. We feel, I repeat for you, children. We feel air with the help of our skin. What we pronounce? Skin. Now see the next one. Our dash helps us to speak and taste. What helps us you to speak and taste? Tongue. What's the spelling? T-O-N-G-U-E is tongue. Okay. Followed. You have to take any one from 3. These are called MCQs. Here you have to take the correct answer. Followed. Where? Find and color the name of sense organs from box 1 and match it with its function in box 2. I taught you, no? Eyes help us to see, nose help us to smell, tongue help us to taste, ear help us to hear, hands help us to work, leg help us to walk. So, you have to match. You have to match. Ears, what does ears do? Hear. What does ears do? Hear. Got it? I will be doing one for you. Got it? Now next you have to do see. See. How do you see? With the help of your eyes. So where's the spelling of eyes? Come on, see. This is eye. Got it? Nicely. So I have done two for you. Rest of them you will be doing. Eyes help us to see. Eyes help us to see. Now we will be doing the missing letters. Missing letters. Fill in the missing letters with the help of given figures. I repeat for you. Fill in the missing letters with the help of given figures. You have to recognize the picture and you have to write the name. So, what you will be writing here? This is an assignment for you. You will be doing on your own. Ma'am won't help you. May I help you? You want me to help? Okay, only one I will be doing for you. Okay. Now, first of all, tell me what's this? I. What's this? E, Y, E. E, Y. I repeat for you. Have you recognized the picture? Yes. E, Y, E, S, eyes. E, Y, E, S, eyes. Now, come on, tell me. Yes, it's correct. Tongue. But I won't be writing for you. You have to write. Next one, nose. N-O-S-E, nose. N-O-S-E, nose. This one is your nose, no? Yes. What's this? Ear. What's this? Ear. E-A-R, ear. Now, what's this? We are feeling something. Something we are feeling. Where we are feeling? Skin. What's that? Skin. S-K-I-N, skin. What's that? Skin. Followed, everybody? Yes. Now we will be moving further. Read. Write T for true. Write T for true and F for false statements. Statements. S-T-A-T-E-M-E-N-T-S. Statements. We smell things with the help of ears. With the help of your ears, you smell with the ears. What you will be writing? False. F. You have to do on your own. Okay? I do one for you. Okay, no problem. We smell things with the help of our ears. So what we will be writing? Only F. Got it? Got it? Now next one, we have two eyes. We have two eyes. Am I right? This is also right. You will be writing T. T for true. Good. We have tongues all over our body. We have tongues all over our body. It's true or false? पूरे जगह पे टंग है क्या? नहीं है ना? So what will be writing? F. What you will be writing? F. Got it? Now we move further. Write the answer of the following questions. Write the. Now I'll teach you how to write the answer. I'll teach you how to write the answer. Which sense organs tell us something is hot or cold? So watch it properly how we will write. First we will write skin. First we will write skin. What we will be writing? Skin. Skin. What we will be writing? Skin. Skin. Then you have to pick up the words from here. Tells. Tells us something. Copy from here, children. Is hot or cold? Followed, bacha? Very good. Now see what I have written. Skin, copy from here, tells us something is hot or cold. Followed. Next one, it's an assignment for you. You will be doing. I'll tell you the answer, no problem. How many sense organs do we have? So, how many sense organs do we have? You will copy from here. We have 5, spelling you know, F-I-V-E, 5 sense organs. We have 5 sense organs. Followed? You have followed the whole worksheet? Very nice. So, in this way, you will be doing the worksheet. Play a lot. Till then, remain safe. Stay blessed. Bye-bye.